Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithms. In this video we see the cloud computing important MCQ question for RGPP online exam 2020. If you are not subscribed my channel so please subscribe and watch my video. यह वीडियो आप लास्ट तक देखिए और आपको इसमें बहुत सारे MCQs मिल जाएंगे क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के, जो कि RGPP ऑनलाइन एग्जाम 2020 के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो लेट्स गो फॉर सी द MCQ question. Let's go for question number 1. So question number 1 is blank space as a service as a development environment that build upon the existing cloud computing application infrastructure. So available option is here. First one is software and second one is platform and third one is analytics and fourth one is compliance. So right answer of here option number 2 platform. Platform is the right answer of question number 1. Let's go for question number 2. So question number 2 is blank space is used for merchant transaction under the payment card industry data security standard. So available option is here. First one is ClearPoint PCI. So PCI is a payment card industry and second one is Clear so LN and third one is Roxor PCI. So Roxor PCI is a payment card industry and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number option number 1. This is the right answer of question number 2. Let's go for question number 3. Question number 3 is which of the following is a PCI container as a service. So first option is here Fed Cloud and second one is Clear Sol and third one is Roxor PCI and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of here option number 3. This is the right answer of this question. Roxor payment card industry. This is the right answer. Let's go for question number 4. So question number 4 is blank space as a service is a hosted application that is a cloud equivalent of a traditional desktop application. So available option is here. First one is software, second one is platform and third one is analytics and fourth one is compliance. So right answer of this question option number 1 software. Software is the right answer of question number 4. Let's go for question number 5. So question number 5 is which of the following can be used for banking industry. So right answer of question number 5 is option number 2 BankServe. This is the right answer of question number 5. Banking industry use BankServe. Let's go for question number 6. So question number 6 is which of the following is a man in the middle type of service. So first one is container as a service, second one is infrastructure as a service and fourth one is and third one is application as a service. So and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of this question option number 1 container as a service. Let's go for question number 7. So question number 7 is which of the following is authorization markup language. So first one is extensible access control markup language and second one is intrinsic access control markup language and third one is hypertext access control markup language and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of this question option number 1 extensible access control markup language XACML, short form of XACML. Let's go for question number 8. So question number 8 is the blank space of source identity framework is used to create a vendor neutral cloud-based authentication service. So available option is Higgins and second one is Hughes and third one is Hinges on and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of here option number A. This is the right answer of question number 8. Let's go for question number 9. So question number 9 is Which of the following standard is concerned with the exchange and control of identity information? So available option is here. First one is IGK, and second one is IDF, and third one is IGF, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of here option number 3, IGK. This is the right answer of question number 3. Let's go for question number 10. So question number 10 is which of the following allow a distributed ID system to write and enforce custom policy expressions? So first one is extensible access control markup language, and second one is extensible markup language, and third one is simple object access protocol, and last one is none of the above. So right answer of question number 10 is option number first, extensible access control markup language. This is the right answer of question number 10. Let's go for question number 11. So question number 11 is any software application that complies with the standard accepts and blank space that is authenticated by the trusted provider. So first option is here OpenID, second option is here OpenUser, and third option is here OpenSSD, and last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 11 option number 1, OpenID. This is the right answer of question number 11. Let's go for question number 12. So question number 12 is which of the following is the property of composable component? So first option is here stateful, and second one is stateless, and third one is symmetric, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 12 is option number 2, stateless. This is the right answer of question number 2. Let's go for question number 13. So question number 13 is which of the following is provided by identity as a service? So first option is here identity governance, and second is provisioning, and third one is risk and event monitoring, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 13 is all of the mentioned. This is the right answer of question number 13. Let's go for question number 14. So question number 14 is blank space is one of the more expensive and complex areas of network computing. So first one is multi-factor authentication, and second one is fault tolerance, and third one is identity protection, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 14 is option number 3, identity protection. This is the right answer of question number 14. Let's go for question number 15. So question number 15 is blank space is the assignment of the network identity to a specific MAC address that allows system to be found on network. So first option is here internet hardware address, second is Ethernet software address, and third one is Ethernet hardware address, and fourth one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 15 is option number 3, Ethernet hardware address. This is the right answer of question number 15. Let's go for question number 16. So question number 16 is blank space authentication require the outside use of network security trust service. So given option is here first one SSO. So SSO is a centralized session and user authentication service, and second one is single factor, and third one is multi-factor, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 16 is option number 3, multi-factor. This is the right answer of question number 16. Let's go for question number 17. So question number 17 is which of the following attributes should be unique? So first one is identity, second one is digital identity, and third one is markup, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 16 is option number 2, digital identity. This is the right answer of question number 17. Let's go for question number 18. So question number 18 is which of the following group is dedicated to support technologies that implement enterprise mashups? So first one is Open Alliance Apache, and second one is Open Mashup Alliance, and third one is Open Tech Alliance, and fourth one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 18 is option number 2, Open Mashup Alliance. This is the right answer of question number 18. Let's go for question number 19. So question number 19 is Salesforce.com is the largest blank space provider of CRM software. So right answer of question number 19 is option number 4, software as a service. So Salesforce is the largest provider of software as a service. Let's go for question number 20. So question number 20 is the componentized nature of software as a service solution enable many solutions to support a features called. So available option is here. First one is workspace, second one is workloads, and third one is mashups, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 20 is option number 3. This is the right answer of question number 20. Let's go for question number 21. So question number 21 is open source software used in a software as a service called blank space SaaS. So first option is here closed, second is free, and third one is open, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 21 is option number 3, open. Let's go for question number 22. So question number 22 is software as a service support multiple user and provide a shared data model through blank space model. So first option is here single tenancy, and second one is multi tenancy, and third one is multiple instance, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 22 is option number 2, multi tenancy. This is the right answer of question number 2. Let's go for question number 23. So question number 23 is applications blank space application has a much lower barrier to entry than their locally installed competitors. So first one is infrastructure as a service, second is container as a service, and third one is PaaS, and fourth one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 23 is option number 4, none of the mentioned. This is the right answer of question number 23. Let's go for question number 24. So question number 24 is which of the following software as a service platform is with the exposed API? So first option is here, first one is Salesforce.com, second is Amazon.com, and third one is Flipkart.com, and last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 24 is option number 1, Salesforce.com. This is the right answer of question number 24. Let's go for question number 25. So question number 25 is which of the following aspect of the service abstract away? So first option is here data escrow, and second option is here user interaction, and third option is here adoption drivers, and last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 15 is option number 2. This is the right answer of question number 25, user interactions. Let's go for question number 26. So 26 question is which of the following is most complete cloud computing service model? So first option is here platform as a service, second is infrastructure as a service, and third one is container as a service, and last one is software as a service. So right answer of question number 26 is option number 4, service software as a service. Let's go for question number 27. So 27 question is Rackspace cloud service is an example of. So option is first one is infrastructure as a service, software as a service, platform as a service, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 27 is option number 1, infrastructure as a service. Let's go for question number 28. So question number 28 is Amazon Web Service offers classic service oriented architecture approach to. So available option is here last, second one is SaaS, and third one is PaaS, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 28 is option number 3. This is the right answer of question number 28. Let's go for question number 29. So question number 29 is blank space provides virtual machine and virtual storage and virtual infrastructure and other hardware assets. So available option is here. First one is infrastructure as a service, second is software as a service, and third one is platform as a service, and fourth one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 29 is infrastructure as a service. This is the right answer of question number 29. Let's go for question number 30. So question number 30 is blank space is the most refined and restrictive service model. So right answer of question number 30 is option number 3. Platform as a service is a most restrictive and refined service model. Let's go for question number 31. So question number 31 is which of the following can be considered PaaS offering? So first one is Google Maps, and second one is Gmail, and third one is Google Earth, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 31 is option number 1, Google Maps. This is the right answer of question number 31. Let's go for question number 32. So question number 32 is blank space service as a PaaS vendor within Google App Engine system. So first one is Google, second one is Amazon, and third one is Microsoft, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 32 is option number 1, Google. This is the right answer of question number 32. Let's go for question number 33. So question number 33 is which of the following is associated with considerable vendor lock-in? So first one is platform as a service, second is infrastructure as a service, and third one is container as a service, and last one is software as a service. So right answer of question number 33 is option number 1, platform as a service. Let's go for question number 34. So question number 34 is pods are aggregated into pools within a infrastructure as a service region or site called and blank space zone. So available option is here restricted, second one is unable, and third one is unavailability, and fourth one is none of the mentioned. So right answer question number 34 is option number 2, unable. This is the right answer of question number 34. Let's go for question number 35. So question number 35 is a group of users within a particular instance is called. So first is user, and second is pod, and third one is super user, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 35 is option number 1. Let's go for question number 36. So question number 36 is which of the following is management console in Amazon AWS, Amazon Web Service? So available option is here. First one is Common Service Center, and second one is Cisco Cloud Service and Products, and third one is Cloud Computing Service Provider, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 36 is option number 2. This is the right answer of question number 36. Let's go for question number 37. So question number 37 is blank space is a design specifically to run connected to the cloud as a dedicated cloud client. So right answer of question number 37 is option number 3. This is the right answer of question number 37. Let's go for question number 38. So question number 38 is which of the following is a classic example of infrastructure as a service model? So first one is AWS, and second one is Azure, and third one is Cloudera, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 38 is option number 1, AWS. Let's go for question number 39. So question number 39 is which of the following is the based on the IETF session initiation protocol? So first one is WSDL, and second one is simple, and third one is SOAP, and last one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 39 is option number 2, Simple. This is the right answer of question number 39. Let's go for question number 40. So question number 40 is, how many types of virtual private service instance are partitioned in an infrastructure as a service stack? So right answer of question number 40 is option number 3 and 3. This is the right answer of question number 40. Let's go for question number 41. So question number 41 is, which of the following is fundamental unit of virtualized clients is an infrastructure as a service development? So available option is here: work unit, second one is workspace, and third one is workload, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 41 is option number 3. This is the right answer of question number 41, workload. Let's go for question number 42. So question number 42 is, a blank space is a cloud computing service model in which hardware is virtualized in the cloud. So first option is here infrastructure as a service, second is container as a service, and fourth one is platform as a service, and last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 42 is option number 1, infrastructure as a service. Let's go for question number 43. So question number 43 is, blank space as a service is a cloud computing infrastructure that creates a development environment open which applications may be built. So first option is here infrastructure, second is service, and third one is platform, and last one is all of them. So right answer of question number 43 is option number 43, platform is a right answer. Let's go for question number 44. So question number 44 is, which of the following is the specification for multicast discovery on a LAN, local area network? So first option is here WS agent, and second one is WS discovery, and third one is WSO, simple object access protocol, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 44 is option number 2, WS discovery. Let's go for question number 45. So question number 45 is, which of the following lets a web service advertise itself in term of a collection of endpoints? So first option is here WSDL, and second option is here VMC, and third one is SOAP, and fourth one is all of the matches. So right answer of question number 45 is option number 1, WSDL. This is the right answer of question number 45. Let's go for question number 46. So question number 46 is, which of the following is a virtual machine technology now owned by Oracle that can run various operating systems? So right answer of question number 46 is option number 2nd. This is the right answer of question number 46, VirtualBox. Let's go for question number 47. So question number 47 is, blank space is a CPU emulator and virtual machine monitor. So first option is here amazing, and second is parallels, and third one is QEMU, and fourth one is none of the matches. So right answer of question number 47 is option number 3, QEMU. This is the right answer. Let's go for question number 48. So question number 48 is, blank space offers various Linux distributions upon which you can build a virtual machine. So right answer of question number 48 is option number 2nd. This is the right answer of question number 48. Let's go for question number 49. So question number 49 is, which of the following offer virtual appliance including ones based on Windows, all of which run of VMware player? So right answer of question number 49 is option number 1, BackWeb. This is the right answer of question number 49. Let's go for question number 50. So question number 50 is, blank space allow different operating systems to run their own memory space. So first option is here BMM, and second option is here BMC, and third option is here BMM, and last one is all of the mentioned. So BMM is virtual machine manager. BMM is virtual machine manager. So right answer of question number 50 is option number 3, BMM, virtual machine manager. Let's go for question number 51. So question number 51 is, point out of the wrong statement. First statement is platform represent nearly the full cloud software stack. And second option is a platform in the cloud is a software layer that is used to create higher level of service. And third one is platform often come replete with tools and utilized to add in application design and development. And last one is none of the words. So wrong statement is option number 4. Anyone is not wrong statement. So right answer of question number option number 4, none of the mentioned. Let's go for question number 53. So question number 53 is which of the following component is called hypervisor. So right answer of question number 53 is option number 3, virtual machine manager. Let's go for question number 54. So question number 54 is which of the following provider really on virtual machine technology to deliver servers. So first one is container as a service, and second one is application as a service, and third one is platform as a service, and last one is infrastructure as a service. So right answer of question number 54 is option number 4, infrastructure as a service. This is the right answer of question number 54. Let's go for question number 55. So question number 55 is communication between service is done widely using blank space protocol. So first one is REST, and second one is SOAP, and third one is RESTful, and last one is none of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 55 is option number 2, SOAP. This is the right answer of question number 55. SOAP, object access protocol, simple object access protocol. Let's go for question number 56. So question number 56 is which of the following benefit is provided by platform as a service provider. So available option is here. First option is here a larger pool of qualified developers, and second option is here more reliable operation, and third one is a logical design methodology, and fourth one is all of the mentioned. So right answer of question number 56 is option number 4, all of the mentioned. This is the right answer of question number 56. Let's go for question number 57. So question number 57 is which of the architectural layer is used as front end in cloud computing. So right answer of question number 57 is option number 1, client is a used for front end in cloud computing. Let's go for question number 58. So question number 58 is which of the following is highest degree of integration in cloud computing. So first is container as a service, second is application as a service, and third one is platform as a service, and last one is software as a service. So right answer of question number 58 is option number 4, software as a service. This is the right answer. Let's go for question number 59. So question number 59 is a service provider reselling and blank space may have the option of other one module to customize the information. So first option is here container as a service, and second application as a service, and third one is platform as a service, and last one is software as a service. So right answer of question number 59 is option number 4, software as a service. Let's go for question number 60. So question number 60 is from the standpoint of an blank space, it make no sense to offer non-standard machine instance of customers. So right answer of question number 60 is option number 4. This is the right answer of question number 60. If you are interested in my video, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो आप लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.